Hi, I'm Slimecicle, and today I streamed Clap Clap, a horror game where I made that thing clap. Subscribe and enjoy the VOD. Today we're gonna be playing Clap Clap. This is a horror game. I assume meant to be played in one sitting, so it's gonna be a really creepy thing today, guys. But I'm really excited to make that thing clap here today. Someone said knew it. But before that, I'm gonna make that ass shake. No, okay, all right. let's get right into it. That was so underwhelming. Whoa. October 8th, 1984. I saw an ad in the newspaper about a house sitting job. Since I was short on cash and fat on ass, I decided to sit up. Seriously, dude. I could take out a two-story family home with this thing. All right. That's why they call me the house sitter. No house survives it though. No house has ever survived one of my sits. Let me just make sure that the audio here is all good. Yeah, it maybe is a little low. You can bring it up slightly. Yeah. All right, that's probably good. Freaksicle today. Oh, hello. Find Maxime's house. Hello? Are you Maxime? Excuse me, I'm trying to find a house on this street. Could you help me out? Have you Maxine it?
Sure. Which house are you looking for?
I'm looking for Maxime's place. He hired me to look after it while he's away.
Maxime?
Huh, that's interesting. He usually asks me to watch his place. I'm Marco Botovsky, by the way. Nice to meet you, Marco. Can you just tell me where his place is?
Of course.
It's 2 houses down. Mine's right here, our neighbor Savo in the middle, and then Maxime's place. You can't miss it. Thanks, Marco.
No problem.
Now, excuse me, I just got my home automation system in the mail. I'm really excited. That sounds interesting. What does it do? Okay, I'm like way late.
Well,
it's supposed to make life a whole lot easier, you know, controlling the lights, temperature, even the security system. Pretty cool stuff. Oh, so it's like you get like the clap-on ones, that kind of stuff. Wow, that does sound convenient. Why did you decide to get it?
partly because of the recent disappearances happening around here.
But mainly because our neighbor Savo got one and won't stop raving about it. He left for vacation right after installing it. Said it has built-in surveillance systems and all. Guess he wanted to keep an eye on things while he's away. What was that? Oh, I thought I just saw the hat, man. We're good. Well, I hope you enjoy setting it up. Thanks again for the directions, Marco. No problem. If you need anything, I'm just a house away. 2, actually, Marco. All right. And that kind of lack of awareness is why I am going to be sitting on the house tonight like a hen on her eggs. Let me tell you what. Now let's scramble. This must be it. Clap Clap Certified Smart House Surveillance. Oh, perfect. I think the homeowner mentioned the keys would be in the backyard. I should go and check. Yeah, I'm working on it. Is the audio a little bit loud? Hang on. Let me just make sure. Flower pots. Sorry, those are just a quick cheeky echolocate. Classic Slimecicle echolocate. There we are. Let's see if these things work. Hey, who's chiming? Are these gonna? I feel like those might come up. Little splish splash. Okay. No need to be coy right now. Beetle Jamie, thank you so much for the resub. Barry Beloved as well. Thank you. Slime, you're still just chatting. Oh, yeah? Well, it's gonna... Watch this. It'll switch as soon as I... Watch this. Bam. Category change. There's like a 10% chance. Okay. Oh, fuck! Well, that's, welcoming. They did say it was a smart house. Read note on fridge. Okay, so I can throw shit around with my big meaty paws. Home automation. Clappertown, California. Clap, 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 clap. Dude, we are making everything clap. Is that the fucking Minecraft? I'm happy. Alright, let's see here. How do we house shit? Check the mailbox, water the plants, throw out the trash. Press Q to toggle the lights on and off in any room. Oh, that's awesome. So we can just... A to-do list, just like home. Time to get acquainted with this place. Let's try this. Clap, clap. Oh! That is cool. Okay. So I guess first thing to do is explore the rooms. Okay, so we've got a little closet over here. And here we've got... Let's find out.
Toilet. And that's a big toilet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going to be playing with some Lincoln Logs later, alright. I was trying to haunt this damn house, but the clap of my ass cheeks keeps alerting Charlie's Limesicle. I'm not... It's been weird. I haven't even been putting my hands all the way together. I think the ghost just has a fatty. Oh, wrong button. There we are. Garage. Okay. What? Why did you read that? Dude, you guys are never happy with the chats I read. You're never happy with the chats I choose to read, are you? There's no winning. Alright, what's up here? Aha! And then, so this will be one more room. There's a bed. Little rubber ducky. It's cute. Oh, alright. Duck in the tub. Oh, there's another one! Duck in the toilet. So far, so good. Just can't fucking... those are some well-greased hinges. Okay, what's this? 100 jump scare ideas. Wait. 300 jump scare ideas? No way. Let's give this a look here. Let's see if on the back. Oh, it looks like there's a... Okay. There's an excerpt on the back. Let's see what it says. This one's a keeper. Horror 101. That actually... That is a... Okay. Loudly locked door that does not want me to enter. And in here, we have what looks like the master. Photo, like a family. House seems pretty normal. What does that say? Does that say how to kill a house sitter? With like a big graphic skull. I'm sure that's nothing. Anyway, let's leave this room dark. There we are. Check the mailbox. That I can do. That was the first to-do item, right? Hath we any mail tonight? Any postage? These are good tips if I ever get my house sat. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Check this out. Tip number 1. Do not lock in as hard as Chemcall Zexon locked in. Black sweater, black hat. He's doing house sitting services. Oh. Okay. Missing house sitter, huh? Well, that couldn't be me. Sounds like the beginning of a mystery novel. Does it just say clap clap up there? Bills sorted. It does. Time to show those plants some love. Can't have them wilting on me. No, I cannot. Let's keep those things strong. Wet and strong. Watering can. Give me that. Water the plants. Oh, they're right back here. Hello, my little sprouts. Who's ready for a slippery, slippery day? Who's ready to get big and strong? God, these are the driest. How are they? Oh, hang on. There we are. I see you. The children grow. Ah, yes, I too can see the outline of my plants through walls. Chat, it's literally a level 1 house sitting perk. Clearly none of you took the subclass besides me. This is nice. Oh, here's some more. Hello? Did you hear something? The fuck? Hey! Hey! Climb back! Coward. It's a bit strange. The fuck? Okay, well, listen, we gotta make sure that our, the sunflowers are nice and strong in case this is a Plants vs. Zombies situation. Did you guys hear that? Next is taking out the trash from the kitchen. Okay.
Greetings, Goopy and Gunky.
Oh, hey!
Guy. Keep it silly, Mr. Gooby.
I always do. I always do. Glooby, glooby, goo. Thank you so much for that dude, Ren. I appreciate it. Looks like TTS is working again. That's huge. Now, where is that damn bag? This bag's heavier than I expected. And what's with these human bones? Fuck, dude. Those really are just full-on bones. That's crazy. I'm sure it's nothing. I'm sure that's nothing. Let's just, oh, is this an out? It's an outie. Oh my god, you fucking shit! Fuck. Wow, did he slide in that fast? I assure you, my car is under warranty. You scared the shit out of me. Fuck.
Howdy, I'm Agent Riz Toledo, Federal Investigation Bureau. I need to ask you a few questions.
Sure. What's this about?
There have been reports of disturbances in this area. Disappearances, strange phenomena. We're conducting an investigation.
Yeah, I've heard. Everything's fine here. Just taking out the trash. Don't look at it too long. That's bones.
Are you sure? We've reason to believe there's more to this neighborhood than meets the eye.
Yeah, 100%. Just taking out the trash, you know?
All right. But keep your eyes and ears open and peeled. We need to get to the bottom of this barrel.
Okay. Will do. Thanks, Inspector.
No problem. Stay safe out there. You never know when you're gonna get clapped.
All right. Well, thank you, Inspector. I mean, where are you, like, you just making the rounds, or? Let's go. Give it up. Give it up to our boys. Give it up to our boys doing the real work out here.
Usually I like to watch your VODs while I'm drawing because I can't stand not having background noise. But I'm happy to finally catch a stream for once.
I'm happy you're here too. I'm gonna catch this guy. Oh, and there he goes. Out of the neighborhood, out of my domain. And just like that. Oh, man. If only the government could put more money into public schooling than they're just... they're men teleporters. But it is what it is. It is what it is. He clapped right out. Whoa! Hello? Was someone else giving it up out there? Dude, that is the difference between a clap and an applause. What the fuck was... I'm still hungry. Do we have any food? Activate food. No food. Okay, there's a huge thump upstairs. Hello? Anyone making that thing clap up here? Nothing in here. Just a photo of the family. Worthless! Okay, that sign's down. What about in here? Yellow? More photos. This is the last one. Clap, clap, creature! That's everything. I must be tired. Oh, wait, the ducks are gone. It's odd. There were ducks before. I put that one on the toilet. It's a little strange. Should we just try like a cheeky like... Well, I guess that's fine. What the clap? They stole the ducks. That fridge was open. That fridge was open before. That freezer was. Okay, it just swung back. Okay. Some clappios wouldn't hurt. Do you think if I just turn away and like clap really fast, like someone will... What the fuck was that? Okay. Put cereal on... Dude, I am breaking the house sitter code. Fruit Loops? Fruit Loops in the master is crazy. Let me just rest this here. Okay, hang on. Let's get loopy. Are you kidding? Oh, a little bedtime snack. This is revolting! No way, dude. All right. Give me my fucky charms. Okay, well, I guess I should probably turn off the lights to go to bed, right? Sorry, I filled this thing to the brim. I'm living on the edge. The sheets are white. They won't know. Guess I'll just... Huh? No! How do I stand up? 2:43 a.m. What the fuck? Okay. think you guys are finally starting to understand the title. Because that thing is clapping. What the fuck is in here? Who? I sleep heavy, to be fair. Who clapped every door in here off its hin- Who clapped the drawers open? Someone in here has a... This was a Hulk level clap. What the fuck? Clap, clap. I don't really want to right now. Spooktubers to play your game. I'm a spooktuber. Oh shit! Okay. I feel like I'm about to get clapped. Alright, dude. Alright, he put that... What do you mean leave? What do you mean leave? The fuck was that goofy... What? Ebe? Hello? Rubber ducky? Oh shit! Doesn't chase me, does it? It doesn't know where I am. It knows where I am! Oh. You got a chiropractic adjustment. I didn't see the stairs, dude! I didn't see the stairs! Okay, forgive me. But round of applause. Round of applause. POV, you went to your first chiropractor appointment and now you are paralyzed from the neck down. Oh. Okay. What was that? Clap, clap. Oh, this not good. What was that? Clap, clap. Oh, what was that? Clap, clap. Oh, that's not good. What's in here? Clap, clap. What the fuck? Oh, he hit me with a rubber ducky? Okay. Yep. Yep. Got it. Open the door. Open the 20 minutes locked. 20 minutes locked. Jump through the window. Which fucking way? That window. That window. Go. Get me the fuck out of here, dog. He's not coming, is he? Oh, he's fine. Leave. I need to get as far away. Yeah! Clap, clap. My hands are as far apart as possible right now. Hello?
Surely I'm hiding in the top with the ducks.
Dude. Quack, not the quack quack. I kept running until I reached the nearest police station. While investigating, the authorities found Marco's lifeless body in his house. Meanwhile, Maxime's remains were found stuffed in the trash bag outside his house. I probably should have checked that out. Their neighbor Savo has disappeared under similar circumstances. His remains have yet to be found. Despite the eerie scratches on the walls and my harrowing account, no trace of the creature is ever discovered. The case remains unsolved, leaving an unsettling mystery behind. Thank you for playing my first ever indie horror game. Wow, that was a great first ever game. I hope you enjoyed playing as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you, Clap Clap Monster. Oh, it's a series. Cool, check it out. Very, very excited for Swish Swish and Gluck Gluck and all the things to come. Thanks, Maxime. Very cool. All right. All right. Well, good news. That was making that thing clap.